Most steer clear of Fukushima's restricted zone in Japan, but for Sake Kato, it's the place of his life's mission, taking care of abandoned pets, which he refers to as kids.
10年間のうちやっぱり何度かこう何ていうんですか、挫折っていうか、自分なんでこんなことしてんだよとか、やっぱりそういう思いはありましたけど、やっぱり人間、困ってれば、生活保護でも何でもこう社会が面倒を見てくれるじゃないですか。でこの子たちは本当に困っても誰か面倒見てくれなかったらもうこの子たち死んじゃうんで。
All of his family and neighbours fled after the earthquake, tsunami and subsequent nuclear plant meltdown 10 years ago. But Kato vowed to stay on in a near-empty township and began taking care of stray pets. Kato and his 41 stray cats now live in a dilapidated house. Water is collected from a nearby mountain spring, and Kato uses public toilets outside the restricted area.
この年できついと思うんだから、その年になったらもうかなり負担だと思うんですよ。だから、最後の猫を見とったら、とにかくなんですか、最後の猫を見とってから1日でも1時間でもいいですから、それやって死にたいんですよ。でないと残しちゃうとかわいそうなんで、だからもうこれ以上はもう本当に増やせないというか、もちろん増えないですけど、ただ減るのもショックですけど。
Kato isn't technically allowed to sleep at his house and is officially a resident of Fukushima City, which is a 2-hour drive away. He says his family is opposed to his charitable but costly project. Taking care of the animals eats up around $7,000 a month for food, fuel, and veterinary expenses. But his kindness has not always received a warm welcome from onlookers. In February, Kato was arrested on suspicion of freeing wild boar caught in traps set up by Japan's government.
イノシシも皆さんやっぱり嫌いますけど、害獣だと言って嫌いますけど、こんなちっちゃい売り場の時からそこに来てたんですよ、その車庫の前に。だからやっぱりこういうのがどんどん大きくなって、今度また違う子供連れてきて、だから本当子供と一緒ですね。
Despite the obstacles, Kato insists he has permission to stay in the area and won't be deterred from what he sees as his life's purpose.